Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can hide Facebook posts on your profile. It's quite straightforward, so let's get started. Okay guys, to start with, here is my iPhone and I need to load up the Facebook application. Just going to click on that. From here, you've got all these options at the very bottom: home, reels, friends, groups, notifications, and profile. We're going to find what it is that we're actually looking to hide. So I'm going to click on profile. Now I don't use Facebook very much, and for the most part, most of this is going to be blurred out because it's all my private information. So hopefully none of that's actually visible to you guys. But as we kind of scroll down here just a little bit, we're just going to find a post, which I think actually is from like a year ago or so. From here, we can see there's three dots in the right hand corner of the post. We can click on that, and then you end up with these options, which is save post, hide from profile, report post, delete, or be notified about this post. Now, if you want to hide, it's quite simple. You click on the hide from profile. But of course, just because you're hiding it on your profile does not necessarily mean that it's going to not be visible somewhere else. Otherwise, you would simply click on the delete button and then you would remove the post altogether. Okay, so if it's a post that you've done, deleting it's an easy solution. If, however, it's someone else's post on your wall, for example, or on your timeline, you can simply hide it from your profile so no one else sees it without really knowing or letting them know that you've hidden it from your profile, that kind of thing. So that's simply how you do it. You click on the option and you would hide the post. You can, same thing also work for unhiding as well, but ultimately that is how you would manage it within the Facebook application. And that's it, guys. That's how you would hide a post on Facebook. If it has worked for you, found it useful and informative, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.